Taking the plunge, a leap into new beginnings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, take the plunge. This expression is not just about water or swimming as it might seem at first glance. Join us as we unravel the meaning behind this phrase and how you can use it in everyday conversations. To take the plunge means to decide to do something significant or life-changing, especially after a long period of hesitation. This phrase is often used when someone decides to make a big decision that they've been considering for a while, such as getting married, starting a business, or moving to a new country. It's about committing to a course of action that is often seen as risky or a big step. The phrase, take the plunge, is believed to have originated from the practice of immersing oneself in water, which symbolizes a form of initiation or the start of something new. Over time, it evolved to mean taking a significant step or making a big decision. The idea of plunging into water, with its connotations of both risk and refreshment, perfectly captures the essence of embarking on a new venture. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. After years of working for others, Jenna finally took the plunge and started her own cafe. Deciding to move to another country is a big decision, but Maria is ready to take the plunge. They've been dating for 5 years, and they've decided to take the plunge and get married next summer. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help you better express the idea of taking a significant step. Some synonyms for take the plunge include leap of faith, dive in, go for it, commit oneself. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of the phrase, take the plunge, and how you can use it to describe making big, life-changing decisions. Remember, taking the plunge often requires courage and a willingness to embrace the unknown. We encourage you to not be afraid of taking your own plunge in life, whatever that may mean for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.